channel, and I don't know if this is turning into a garden channel or just, I don't know. I guess I'm just so excited about this journey of becoming like an urban gardener, and I just want to share that journey with you guys. So I am, if you don't know, my name is Brittany. I am a wife, mom of 3, and a homeschool mom of 9 years. And I do a number of other things, but I love God's creation, okay? And one way I typically love to enjoy God's creation is growing things and being outside in nature. And I come out here and I sit. Sometimes I sing to the plants, I talk to them. Sometimes I'm praying, sometimes I'm just worshiping and talking to the Father. But enough about that part. I do want to share this journey and how I feel like God is just showing me a lot of himself, and just how we are as these fragile little things, like, you know what I'm saying? Because plants are really fragile. They need a lot of attention, a lot of love, a lot of care, same as us. And I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys. And I want to show you guys something really quick. So another YouTuber told me about making my own fertilizer from bananas, which this is diluted. So you take bananas and you kind of let them sit and ferment, and you pour the water off, and then after that you put 3 parts water to the 1 part of the banana water, and it becomes this fertilizer. Today's my first time using it, and I want to kind of let you guys see the progress of everything again, because I did just do a progress video. And this is the lavender, which is growing really, really great now. And this is the mustard green plant, which is like soaring. We got the organic bell pepper starting to sprout. Here we go. And then this is the garlic that has been sprouted. But what I'm most just thrilled about is, look at my cucumber plant, guys. Like, it's starting to flower, and I'm ready for the fruit to come, which of course is the cucumber. And I'm just extremely excited about this process, even though of course you can see I live in an apartment, but this to me is just, I'm super just excited. I've actually harvested some things, so I'm actually going to go inside and show you what I've harvested. My parsley is over here looking a little cray. I did just water it, so for whatever reason, whenever I water them, they tend to kind of fall over, but once the sun hits them, they go back up erect. And then I have my jalapeno, which I am ready for those to actually sprout and do their thing. But y'all, I think I told you guys about my blueberries, and this is my first time growing blueberries, and Epic Gardening has been helping me on this journey. So shout out to Epic Gardening. He's amazing. His channel is amazing. He's killing it here in the game for urban gardeners like myself. And if you just want to just grow herbs just to cook with, which that was what started my journey here. So this is what I really want to show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. We got blueberries. And it's so small. It's a young plant. It really is. And I don't know, like I was just praying and asking God, like, okay, like, Lord, like, I would love to see blueberries like on the bush, like, you know, because I know they say they don't normally bud in the first year. And like I said, this is a young plant. I grew it from a baby, and it started to sprout in the house, and I brought it outside, and it has done amazing since like March, and it's starting to sprout more limbs here. So I'm just ecstatic. My celery, it's growing, y'all. It's growing so beautifully, like, and these are my little tomato babies. I think when I did my video like a week or so ago, I did not have the sprouts. The sprouts had not come up yet, but the sprouts are coming up, and these are organic grape tomatoes. That's a little weak one. I don't know. It's not, I'm gonna pull it. But yeah, they're already starting to just take root here. I'm really excited, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, God is so amazing. I'm just ready to see how this all unfolds, and I'm just excited to take you guys on a journey. So let's go in the house and let's see what I've harvested for today, because I'm making salmon croquettes for lunch or dinner. It's a late lunch, so I'm making salmon croquettes for the kiddos, and they're hungry, so I'm probably gonna have salmon croquettes and salad and fix them some fries and something. But yeah, so let's go in the house and let's check on what I harvested for today. So here are all of my ingredients here for what I'm cooking today. I've harvested some dill from my garden. Fresh dill. When I say this is so delicious, it is so amazing. It tastes so good. So we got fresh dill, but I probably won't. I always put dill on my salad, so that dill is for my salad. I actually harvested some parsley, which I'll be using. I've already diced. Well, I was in the process of dicing my blue bell pepper here, so I got some bell pepper, and then I also just harvested some oregano, and I love putting oregano in my salmon. My husband started me on that. I wasn't even doing that before. He saw it on a recipe, and ever since we've been putting oregano in our salmon. And I'm just making salmon croquettes from the canned salmon. I have done it with real salmon, and that is real salmon. That's real salmon. But I've done it with fresh salmon as well, and I've actually put dill in it. Amazing. I love to cook, so I might share some cooking videos as well from the things that I'm pulling from my garden, which to me is really, really awesome. But I had to show you, I literally had to stop and make a video so I can show you that even living in an apartment, even just not being totally familiar about everything, I'm literally teaching myself about these things. I have several books that I had gotten years ago just from people and even just thrifting, and I wanted to just share this journey with you guys. Like, I grew this on my patio. Fresh oregano. And I'm actually going to put in our meal for today. And I also put a little almond flour, because I'm none. We don't do wheat, so we're gluten free. And don't mind all the mess back there. But here are all of my seasonings. This is real salt. I actually started trying this salt for the first time, and it's actually really good. I got some garlic powder, which I started making my own. So I was in a crunch today, so I needed to go to Aldi's and pick me up some garlic powder. So I normally make my own. I have my dried garlic, which I need to pull a few pieces out so I can dice up for the salmon croquettes. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Oh, one more thing. So kitchen scraps. I think I had shared with you that my celery is being grown from kitchen scraps. So this is some butter lettuce that I had purchased from Costco, and just from the little pieces that I've taken off, they are starting to grow. They're starting to grow, and they're getting big. Like, they started off super tiny. This was the most recent one, so they started off a little bit tinier than this, and these other two have been here for almost a week now. And I just sit them here under the bar light, and I water them. And yeah, I have to take my jewelry off when I cook. But yeah, as you can see, I just love plants. I love greenery. So I have a few just kind of scattered around the house, and my husband got me those for Mother's Day. Yes, thanks, babe. And then yeah, so we can grow things from kitchen scraps, which I think I don't know. Like, I don't know if this channel is turning into a urban garden channel. If this is something that you guys like, let me know in the comments below. But mamas, you can do it. Like, include your children, let them in on it, and it can be just a family fun project that you guys do together. But I'm gonna cook because I'm hungry. I know these kids hungry, and you guys have a great one.